What's everybody? Welcome back to an R. Today I'm going to react Ziferblat, Bird of Prey from Ukraine. Let's get started. Ukraine, Bird of Prey. First of all, can we give some applause for that voice? Wow, she sounds absolutely so angelic. You better sing. Okay, this vibe, I don't know how to feel it, guys, but his voice, his vocals are raw and emotive. Oh my god, he absolutely has a great vocals, and I love the way they blend English and Ukrainian language. Is really depth, add some depth. Oh my god, this girl voice is outstanding. Sing. Wow, look at this one. I love the visual. It feels so 80s with this 80s vibe with pink lighting really match with the vibe of the song. Whoa. Wow, this part.
Thank you so much.
I love this performance. It's so musical. Wow, Ukraine always deliver a good song. What a voice. I love it. 12 points from Indonesia. This is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.